it's great to see you. I have been away. I have been really sick with this terrible cold/virus that my husband brought home. He got it first and then he passed it along to me. Thank you, George. Anyway, I'm still getting over it, but I'm doing a lot better. And today I'm gonna make a quick video. Look at this box. I have this box and it's full of jewelry. Beautiful jewelry, I might add. So pretty. I'm gonna share some of this jewelry with you and how I got it. Giving away a lot of this jewelry, and every time I give it to someone, a friend or a family member, they love it because it's really pretty and you will not believe the price. I bought this item from Amazon in the hopes to organize some of this jewelry that I have, which I just keep putting it in this box and taking it out because, like I said, I've been giving some of it away. And today I am going to make a presentation on one of the items that I'm going to be giving away to a friend of mine. I have to find it in here. It's a beautiful necklace with a beautiful butterfly on it. I buy little boxes like these at the Dollar Tree, and that's fine. Or you can put it in a little organza bag like this. That's fine as well. But I wanted to make something a little bit more special. And so I will show you what I'm going to do, my idea with this frame, and how pretty I think that's gonna come out, because presentation sometimes is everything, you guys. And so I'm going to look for that necklace in my stash of jewelry that I have here. Let me show you 2 clips of me wearing the jewelry as I was going out as I look for this butterfly necklace. I'm ready to go out, and I wanted to show you one of the necklaces that I bought from her. Isn't that pretty? And here are the earrings. They're very substantial and they're good quality. That is so pretty. She was wearing it on one of her lives the other day, and I said, "What is that you have on?" So I really like it, and I'll show you another one on another day. Okay, oops, sorry. Sorry for the mess. Okay, you guys, I'm excited to show you another one of my friend Suzanne's jewelry. Look at these earrings. Aren't they beautiful? They're gunmetal, and look at this necklace. Let me show you the butterfly that I'm going to gift to my friend. So beautiful, you guys. Look at this. I want you to take a good look at this butterfly. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Let me put it something colorful behind it. Look at that. And the butterfly has rhinestones all around it. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I could turn on this light back here. Yeah, maybe you can see that better. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Well, I am going to make a pretty presentation for this necklace. The little earrings are just little rhinestones. I'll show you those as well. Just a little rhinestone. Because we all did a retreat together, and it's called The Road to Emmaus. I'm sure if you're a Christian, you have read the passage in the Bible where the apostles are on their way to Emmaus, and Jesus joins them in the walk, but they don't recognize him. If you haven't read that passage from the, I'm gonna look up the place where you could find it so you can read it. And so the reason I was telling you that is because we did an Emmaus retreat, and the symbol of our retreat is the butterfly. So we all used to gift each other like little butterfly pins or butterfly stickers, stuff with butterflies. And so this necklace is just absolutely beautiful. That is why I bought 3 of them. And if she has them come back, I will buy more. Okay, so I am going to organize this jewelry just a little bit into my new, I don't know how I'm gonna like this, but this is for jewelry, and I got it quite a while ago, but I just haven't felt up to doing it. It's like a book, see that? And then it brings these where you can put the jewelry, organize it in here. And you can find it a lot faster than I just did trying to find the butterfly. So that's pretty cool. I think I'll get good use out of it. Before I start organizing all this jewelry, I want to prepare the gift that I want to give my friend. So I thought I would buy this little frame at the dollar store. So I decided to go with this pale gray. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of this and stick it on here and completely cover this part. I put 2 little pearl thumbtacks from the dollar store. I have those cute little angels. So I'm going to put the chain around the pearls. And I'll just show you here in a minute how it looks. I put a sticker on there that says, God is within her. She will not fall. And look at what a pretty presentation for such a pretty piece of jewelry. I hope she likes it. So now as I start to organize the jewelry in this organizer, which I bought on Amazon, I'll show you some of the pieces. Look at how pretty, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? And it has a little pair of earrings, little dangling leaves. I think they're so pretty. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this necklace is. And look at the earrings, how cute they go. They're just like the necklace, but just a dangling little earring. That's so cute, and it has a pearl. Look at this necklace, you guys. Look at the iridescent stones on this necklace. Look at the earrings, you guys. Complimentary earrings. If I were to tell you the price of this set, you would not believe it. Take a guess. How much do you think this cost? 20 bucks? 30? 40 for the set? If you go to a boutique and you get some custom jewelry, you can easily pay that much money. Look at those stones. Look at these earrings, you guys. Aren't these pretty? Look at that. Isn't that just so pretty? Isn't that beautiful? So look at this beautiful necklace. I wore this same necklace. I should have taken a picture. I wore it to the Arts Center. It's a theater that we have here in Miami. And I wore it with a black top. And it looked absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a little bit iridescent, and it has the complimentary earrings are really nothing to brag about. It's like those tiny little earrings on this one. Here's another one of the butterflies. And I have one that I kept for myself. Look at this, how pretty this is. This is like a brass one. It has a little complimentary earring. Look at that beautiful stone with the little rhinestones all around it. See that? And look, a brass metal chain. Beautiful, I love it. Look at this beautiful necklace. I gotta put this right so you can see the beauty of this necklace, okay? So it says pray right here. And then it has a beautiful stone. And then it has an angel wing. Look at that. Just hanging, dangling from there. Look at that. Look at the necklace, how pretty. And the earrings are really cute. It has a little stone just like the one in the necklace. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Look at these. With those iridescent stones. Isn't that nice? Look how nice these are. They're like gunmetal gray. I think those are beautiful. This is a coil bracelet. Look how pretty. This it's a coil bracelet. You just wrap it around your... Now, isn't this bracelet stunning? Ooh, I just love that. As I show you a few more pieces of this jewelry, let me tell you a little bit about how I got it. My good friend, her name is Suzanne Light. She sells this jewelry, and it is only $5 each set, you guys. I kid you not. Each piece of jewelry is $5, no matter what you buy. Like if it's the necklace with the complimentary earrings, it's $5. If you buy a pair of earrings, that's $5. It's amazing. It's beautiful and it is really good quality. And you know, if you buy from her, no matter how much you buy it, no matter how much of it, the delivery is always $5, only $5 anywhere in the country. So I'll have her information in the description below. I know you're just gonna love Suzanne as much as you're gonna like the jewelry. So I hope that you will check her out, and let me show you how it looks in the organizer. Okay, so here it is, you guys. It's kind of fat, but it really serves its purpose because now I can see everything that I have in here without having to go through all those little bags. See? Look at that. There's a chain with an M. It has initial ones. See that? I can see without having to have that mess of bags. I wanted to show you these earrings. Look how pretty these are. Aren't those beautiful? Like for a night out. Yeah. And I hope to see you soon when I feel better. Bye, guys. Take care. Bye.